What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Gemini AI with Google Calendar. So first off, head over to gemini.google.com and from here, the magic thing begins. So you want to connect Gemini with Google Calendar, so you have to use the same Google Workspace account as you use in every Google site like Google Drive, Google Calendar, and everything. You have to log in with the same ID on Gemini. After that, just simply write a prompt, show events from my calendar. First of all, for you, it will ask for permission to connect Google Workspace. Just simply click on continue and connect. After that, when you will enter this prompt, you will see the result from your Google Calendar. As you can see, you have one event tomorrow, meeting from 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. This is showing me that I have a meeting tomorrow, and let's see on the Google Calendar. Yes, as you can see, I have a meeting from 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. tomorrow, and this shows me that you have a meeting from, and it took all the data from Google Calendar. So this is how you can use Gemini AI with Google Calendar. That was all for the video. Thank you for watching.